Hello, this is Dr. Richard Davidson back with another topic in chiropractic. Last video we discussed the benefits of the chiropractic adjustment to the musculoskeletal system. Today we're going to discuss the benefits of the adjustment to the nervous system. Let's look at the anatomy. The spine is the bony protection of the nervous system. In fact, the nervous system is the only system in the body that's completely encased in bone. The cranium or the head protects the brain, and the spinal column protects the spinal cord and the exiting nerve roots. Misalignment of the vertebrae creates irritation on the nervous system, and that irritation can produce altered sensations to all the systems in the body: digestion, cardiovascular system, immune system, hormonal system, and others can fail to function optimally if there is stress from the spine. For this reason, chiropractic care is successful in treating allergies, asthma, digestive disorders, colic, reproductive issues, headaches, and a good reason to seek out chiropractic care when you are run down or coming down with a cold. The adjustments improve the nervous system's ability to function optimally. Therefore, whatever issue you're dealing with, you're going to deal with better with a properly functioning spine and nervous system. Chiropractic is a hands-on, holistic approach to your health without drugs and surgery. If you're interested, go to westfamchiro.com and fill out a new patient form or call us at 914-346-5200. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.